If you like any of these handy tools I'm using in this video, you can head over to heatlab.uk, all the tools designed in the UK, and grab yourself a Plum Shark, dust sheet, whatever else you fancy. Cheers.